College pun fibro section part hakane ka video komenta ngan peni question rengkat pat ki answer on marba ladap ai ki answer ki tementangan peni jongka AB constable branch constable battalion constable MPR OGT constable handyman kene juga AB constable te question booklet series kene ka ka D ma kan ma padi te answer ki ladap ai te sampai na po official website ladan pelaban download nang tu ban page ki ansar ki jong pi ya jong baro nadu UBSI hadu driver AB driver mo constable driver te yang ne page menta ya kini ki question rengkat bat ki jingkli ansar te kene instruction ral dat thong ne jingsha kadon nyop santali question fix your number ne ada ong ma fill your roll number group test booklet number bullet series ada batai clearly apa instruction nomor ba kimia puli instruction imat kada bon ke bakla ha dengan pulir ya kan dengan ya direct shaka question kina in 2 minute question English grammar and usage question number 1 to 5 fill in the blank with suitable article from the alternative given below. The road leads to none of this no mendon option rank to none of this and dash the road leads to dash police bazaar. The correct answer is D, none of this. 2. The sun sets in the east. Correct answer is A. 3. He give me dash 5 rupee notes. The correct answer is B. He give me a 5 rupee notes. 4. This is the book that I like most. So A is the correct answer. According to the answer key, there is answer ma. 5. John is an honest person. C is the correct answer. Then fill in the blank with suitable proposition. So okay, kita grammar la menyalahi. Then he ran with the money is the answer, correct answer. He reached the station by bus. B is the correct answer. Then A, she writes a letter with pen. D is the correct answer. I go to school every day. B is the correct answer. Pay attention to what I say. So A is the correct answer. Then fill in the blank with suitable conjunction from the alternative given below. I am stronger than he is. C is the correct answer. He is weak dash old. He is weak and old. A is the correct answer. He is absent dash he is sick. B is the correct answer because he is sick. 14. He is poor dash happy. He is poor but happy. B is the correct answer. 15. I know dash he is an excellent guy. I know that he is an excellent guy. A is the correct answer. 16. Sentence fill the correct form of verb. John was born on 20 December 2000. B is the correct answer. My brother saw the Prime Minister yesterday. A is the correct answer. I studied in this school since 1975. A is the correct answer. The lamb has gone out. B is the correct answer. I expected him yesterday. B is the correct answer. Name the type of speech of the underlined words from the option below. Tekane 21-27 nga try bun bigi barong stang kumno marba kideki type of speech. She took my car to the mechanic for repair. Correct answer is D, personal pronoun. John is a smart boy. Correct answer is C, proper noun. Okay, 22-23. India is the largest producer of milk, jute and pulse. Superlative adjective. B is the correct answer. The king fought bravely. A is the correct answer. Adverb of manner. Hakane in bun ba nomla are kane te bun even wrong bait kane te stang manur manu ba la pero. 25. Mary arrived late to school. Adverb of time. B is the correct answer. Okay. Bun dia la bait ma ka ne ka type of speech te bun kin ban nom ya la re. Okay. Similar meaning. Tired, fatigue. A is the correct answer. Different, dissimilar. A is the correct answer. Enmity, hatred. B is the correct answer. Brilliant, smart. A is the correct answer. Together, oneness. B is the correct answer. What is the correct plural form of person? So B is the correct answer. People. Kane te bon ba kiala hi tangane 31 try de kimela andre te bon ba kiala hi. Then 32. Which of the sentence below is grammatically correct? Haganer ke bon nomela. B is the correct answer. I could not find it anywhere. Which of the sentence below is the passive form? The mouse was chased by the cat. B is the correct answer. Identify the correct punctuation. My favorite colors are red, blue, and green. So A is the correct answer. My favorite colors are red, blue, and green. 35. Which of the sentence below is incorrect? C. My parent will be angry if I not going to the school. C is the correct answer. Then we'll come to 36. Arithmetic. How many meters are there in a kilometer? Can I do 1000? She kilometer long. Shajar meter. If you start with number 2 and keep adding 2 with sequence, will you have even number? Okay, correct. So D is the correct number, correct option. No? Then 38, find the least number which when divided by 8, 15 and 18 leaves remainder 5 in each case. So D is the correct answer, 95. 39, 3 into minus 4 is equal to B minus 12. Correct answer, B. Solve the following 5 plus 600 by 60. So A is the correct answer, 15. Indicate the correct statement. Question 0 to 10 gives 0. 0 by 10, not 0 to 10. What is the value of 100, 100? 100 divide 100 into 5 plus 200. Correct answer is B, 205. 43. Which of the following is divisible by 9? Correct answer is D, 1224. 44. How many lakhs makes a million? 10 lakhs. So A is correct answer. Which of the following statement is true? A is true. 0 by 7 gives 0. Then general knowledge. Ivan Bahadoling, a footballer from Meghalaya, is currently playing in the ISL with Kerala Brastar. Kepada footballer kita baik kene. C. Kerala Brastar. 47. Dibrugarh is located in Opar Assam. Kene Desha Opar Assam, kene Desha Lower. So D is correct answer. The largest river in Asia is Majuli. Kene yang syade menyatibban. Find the odd one out. Tekan offside. D. Nomor bahaga cricket. Amdon offside re. Tangka football. Offside. Who is Bahachung Guta? Kana tin lalut baro. Footballer. D. Which school from Meghalaya won the Subrata Mukherjee football tournament held in Delhi in 2024? Is Nongri Presbyterian Secondary School. What is the headquarter of Southwest Garo Hill? So D. None of the above. Where is the headquarter of 3rd Meghalaya Police Battalion located? Saabsen. Jibari na Jawai telah lalut bejagane. Saabsen. Who is the current Superintendent of Police of West Khasi Hill? Bikram D. Marak, SP of West Khasi Hill. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? Kanero Elalot Baro. D. Neil Armstrong. How many districts are there in Khasi Hill, Jainti Hill, and Ribohoi? 7. D. What is the distance from Tura to Bakmara? About 106 kilometers. Kanero kami hi badai negaro tikni alai majority tikin janjar kin sugasi kanete. Which one of the 4 statements is incorrect? We cannot go to Palbagram from Ranikor. Kanero tangkatuk anehi. The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in which Indian state? Kanete Lalot, Nagaland. Olympic Games are held every 4 years. Kanero Lalot. Famous Nalanda University was situated in which present-day state of India? Bihar. C. Which of the following was Chief Minister of Meghalaya? None of this. What lake at Shillong derived the name from Britisher who planned the lake called Sir William Watt? One famous school at Shillong recently demolished is Old St. Anthony School. How many seats are there in the GHADC? So 30. Who is the present chairperson of the Meghalaya State Women Commission? Dapika Pasa. Oh, sorry, 66 is my mistake. No, kane kande B. Yamon Lang M. B is the correct answer. Then Lakadong village is in West Jaintia Hill district. D. Terna village is in Shila Boholaganj. A. Nengkra is located in Esgaro Hill. Kini te Banagaro tiken labha Khasi Hill tiken ya jenjar kini ala ai mas impossible. Stanglar sugas gas. Then this one Find out the correct combination from the option below. Kena terlala kena lala ngi ketu weru ki option R terlima. Chiso bibra patagon neng menja sangma bapulete layo extra pack se ketu weru. Then 71 Lakadong village kena dia lalut baro turmeric bapulete labe ketu. Wrongly minyanka okay nong talang okay I will read only khasi. Hanur education wrongly Meghalaya kena dia nong talang village kena gi badai na war janta te kena lalut. Kumno bong lashker lo penya pia ukla habak mara dakaba dat yak binyat. Ya kong thong la tep kum kashnong basiau whistling namar. La itu ya teng jung ubriu daga basiau ya kasur kendur kena kan lalut. Upatagon neng menja sangma la khalat no na kajingle bat kishi pai phareng ha chiso bibra. Popule kane mulala kane lala kate. Sau makyo. Okay, te kane kadai katkum ka answer ki ma. Katkum ka answer ki bladab aina po ka Meghalaya Police website te sa comment katno phiyo ka score mark ka jong phi katno ngot phi score ka 100 plus ma babun ma ki bala etu enga ki bun ma ba cross de ka 100 plus ka total score te sa check katkum ka answer ki se thu katno phi lawan yo ba na shai ngan sapan mi no ka hadu katno ka expected cut off ka bede bat jong ka AB constable markane ding babun post tam baro barkane ga bahai kate be jong ka mare te tong se pila shai te tang kan nahi khule shubun